My name is Tim Horn. I'm the pool manager for Taurus Tankers, and we founded Taurus Tankers back in May 2009. We are the operator of a fleet of modern LR2 tankers, which are long-range product tankers. Taurus operates with a dedicated team of people. We have a commercial team, of which Fred Moe is the head, but we also have operations personnel dedicated to the pool.
The quality of our partners and their ships provide Taurus Tankers management with the building blocks required for success and for us to capitalize on the market. With the commercial and operational experience of more than 40 years, we do believe that we have the experience required to make the pool successful for all the stakeholders.
We believe that it's incredibly important that the pool has strong relationships with a wide range of customers, in some cases the oil majors or national oil companies, and we've had the opportunity and looked at contractual business relationships with those companies in the past, but also with oil traders, and we're very lucky that our team, Fred and his team, have an extremely close and effective working relationship with the oil trading community.
We honestly do believe that Taurus can only be successful if we are totally focused on providing our customers with acceptable solutions. This is something we discuss every day with our customers and partners, as well as amongst our team workers.
The great benefit we have from sitting within TK as a wholly owned but distinct subordinate part of the organization is that we can leverage resources as we require them without at this stage dedicating full-time resources. So for example, demurrage claims, legal and so forth. We can take advantage of TK's long-standing first-class reputation and absolutely high operating standards for the benefit of the pool membership. Taurus is a relatively small pool at this stage, and we feel that the London location gives us proximity to the customer base, but also at this stage to the partners. London's a long-established shipping centre. It's time-wise a very good location to work in both the eastern markets and also into the western markets, the States and so forth. Fundamentally, the LR2 trade is based in Europe and obviously in the Far East. As the pool expands, we'll of course look to putting a more established presence into the eastern marketplace. But at this point, we feel London is an ideal location. The great thing about the LR2 tanker is fundamentally it's an Aframax at heart, but a coated Aframax, and that gives the ship flexibility. So we have the ability in Taurus, the latent ability, to operate the ship both in the crude and the clean markets, and we will do that as and when we view that the crude market, for example, provides premium earnings to the clean market. And we've actually demonstrated and historically cross-traded the vessels, not voyage by voyage, but over longer periods of time between crude and clean to boost the earnings of the fleet. We see that as a key differentiator, and we see that as being highly valuable for pool earnings going forwards. Taurus is all about growth at this stage. It's very important to us, and our current target would be to approximately double the size of the pool from its 11, 12 ships today. We believe that growth for its own sake is not necessarily the right way to go, but we believe in a phased growth, allowing us to build a contract base and to continue to service the customer in a personalized and effective fashion. So we're very clear about the way in which we wish to grow the pool, but growth is a critical factor for us. The pool is all about the relationship between the partners. Fundamentally, a pool will only be successful if the partners have a shared objective and share a similar set of operating standards and views. So we're very attentive to the needs of the partners within the pool, but also to finding that we have common ground. And we're very fortunate in the partnership that we have today. We have a diverse range of companies involved, but I think we all contribute to the pool, and I think that's essential to its ongoing success. We're looking forward to adding new members. We have a number of discussions well advanced at the moment, and we're looking to build the strengths of the partnership within the pool.